If you're tired of using lots of different software to manage your agency, this video is for you. I'll show you an amazing all-in-one solution called GoHighLevel. We'll go over some of its basic features to help you get started. Now, what I'm going to do is show you a step-by-step tutorial on this tool, and I'm going to give you a 30-day free trial to it below this video, along with all of my automations, which will allow you to do the same thing I'm doing. So before I dive into it, do me a favor and respond with the word yes in the comments right now. It lets me know to make more videos like this for you in the future. First of all, this is the spreadsheet I'm going to be giving you today. When you get into the 30-day trial link in the description, again, it's completely free. Let me show you how this works. Inside this spreadsheet, I have all these different videos that you can start scheduling out and posting today. My team makes these videos for me to use as well as for you, because I'm building out a ton of resources for you as we speak. We also have emails that you can start sending. I'm going to show you everything here in a second, but there is a lot of really cool stuff that you're going to get today for free. To get started, all you need to do is go to the link below this video or to firstaitool.com go. Click on Get Free Course Plus Bonuses, and then click on the 30-day free trial. We need this to run our automated system and start making sales. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make sales overnight. I'm not going to say if you start doing what I'm talking about here, you're going to become a millionaire in the next couple of days. That's not going to happen. But what I'm going to say is that if you start following the templates and the things that I'm building for you, you're going to get the exact same things that I'm using to earn money pretty much on autopilot. You can see here, this is just one product paying me out $9,422 in monthly recurring revenue. I have tons of different tools and affiliates that pay me out every single month. Inside the spreadsheet, I'm even giving you a free list of 400 different tools that you can actually promote. You can choose to promote any one of these tools with the system I'm about to give you. I just wanted to show you some proof that I'm actually doing it for myself and that the templates I'm using are already proven to work in my own business. But again, I'm not guaranteeing you anything. I'm not saying that if you do this, you're going to get rich overnight. Remember, nothing in life is guaranteed. You just want to put in the right steps and hopefully, you will be able to start getting some sales and some leads with what we're talking about today. What you're going to do is grab that trial. It's a 30-day trial. If you don't keep the trial, you don't keep the checklist. That's the idea here. I'm giving you all this stuff for free, but if you, for whatever reason, stop paying for the account after the 30-day trial, you will lose access to the checklist and other resources I'm building for you. If you don't become successful within 30 days, you can just cancel and move on. You have 30 days to make something happen. Ideally, we're trying to help you get your first lead and your first sale with this. All the stuff I'm giving you is so you can have access to my complete system that is actually using this tool to sell things. I'll show you how to do that in the end of the video, so make sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's talk in detail about the GoHighLevel platform. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed for businesses to manage their operations and workflows. It's perfect for running an agency or small business because it handles everything in one place. You can generate leads, manage customer relationships, set appointments, schedule tasks, manage projects, and even build websites, funnels, and landing pages. Before we dive into the features and how to use them to grow your agency, I want to mention something amazing about GoHighLevel. One of its best features is that you can create your own white label SaaS business. On their higher plans, you can customize the software's look and resell it to other small businesses, including your agency clients. This way, you can earn recurring income and make your agency's services more valuable, so your clients stay longer. Basically, you can let your clients run their entire marketing and client acquisition through this software. You pay a set monthly fee, and for every user you bring on, you can resell the software for more without losing any profits. With GoHighLevel's higher plans, you can bring on as many users as you want without increasing your costs. This means you can resell the software to multiple businesses and watch your profits grow. Unlike other software companies, GoHighLevel keeps your costs fixed, even as you add more customers, which is pretty unique in the market. Additionally, GoHighLevel has a fantastic affiliate program. If you refer others to GoHighLevel, you earn a 40% commission. So, if you refer just 2 people, it can cover the cost of your subscription, and anything beyond that is extra income for you. This makes it a great platform, not just for managing your agency, but also for earning additional revenue. Now let's dive into some of the main features and how you can use them to streamline your agency and scale up. Here's a quick look at the GoHighLevel interface. On the top left corner, you can switch between all the accounts you've added. This is a demo account. But if you were managing social media marketing clients, you could have separate accounts for each one. You'd have access to all the features or just the ones you enable for each client in one place. This makes it easy to switch between clients, monitor their progress, and help them grow. You can link messaging apps to the CRM part of GoHighLevel. You can join your Stripe account to take payments, add your team, and more. You can also watch your reviews and talks through Google. So if you're using GoHighLevel for your business, set up these things. Next, you have your dashboard. Here, you'll see the CRM and how your funnel is doing, your deals in progress, and their value. As you use this and add data, you'll see your conversion rate visually. That's like your agency or business dashboard. In the next part, or when you look at the menu, there are talks about connecting your messenger and texting services at a high level. When you do this, you'll be able to handle all your potential customers and work with them using this platform. This is great because many agencies struggle with managing clients spread across different platforms like Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, and emails. But if you integrate them with GoHighLevel, you'll see all your chats here, including text messages. You can then follow up with your leads from this one place. You won't miss any messages, and you can respond faster. All these features become available once you connect. You'll see everything here, making it easy to communicate with all your customers. Additionally, if you're selling high-level software to clients, they'll have their own leads from Facebook Messenger, for instance. If you're helping a small local business, they'll have their leads there, and you can assist them in converting these leads into clients. As you help them earn more money, they'll likely stick with you longer, and you can even increase your fees as you bring in more revenue for them. Makes sense, doesn't it? Next, in our chat about talks, let's talk about calendars. Here you can use one place for things like Calendly, equity scheduling, or other similar tools. You make links for scheduling just like Calendly. Also, you can put meetings in manually. Say I want to book a meeting, I can find the person I want to meet, add it here, and it goes in your calendar. You can link it with Google Calendar too. That's pretty cool. If you work with local businesses, like as an agency, they can handle all their bookings here too. Next, we'll talk about the CRM function. It's about keeping track of all the contacts you've added. For instance, if you're an agency, this is really crucial. Many small agencies forget about having a CRM. A CRM is just software for managing relationships with customers. You need to keep tabs on all your potential clients, the people you've contacted, and where they are in the sales process. So whenever you get a new lead, you can add them manually here. When you go to opportunities, which is like the CRM part, you can guide customers through the sales process. This is important, so you don't forget to follow up with possible customers. It's really helpful if you want to add a new lead. You just click New, name the business, and add their email and phone number. You can also add tags to identify them and the company name. You can name the opportunity, which is probably the product they're interested in. Then you add the stage they're at. You can also estimate its value, like $4,000. You can put where you got the lead, like Instagram. You can change its status, like open for a new potential. When you add it, you'll see it in your pipeline. As you work on it, you can move it to hot leads. If you schedule a meeting, mark it as booking requested, and then booking confirmed. If you close the deal, mark it as services sold. Your pipeline value will change accordingly. If you close a client, update the status to 1. Now, your conversion rate will increase because you closed 1 lead out of 2 in the pipeline, making it 50%. GoHighLevel has lots of templates for everything you need. They've got templates for talking, making workflows, organizing your calendar, and even building websites, sales funnels, and landing pages. This means you can save heaps of time because you don't have to start everything from scratch. Then there's payments. You can send invoices to your clients right from GoHighLevel. If you have their card details, you can link them up with Stripe or another payment provider. Once you do that, you can send invoices and manage your clients' payments all in GoHighLevel. Remember, it's an all-in-one solution. You can manage your whole agency just using this one software. Another neat thing is you can bring in project management tools too. If you use Trello for managing your clients, like if you run a creative agency, you can connect Trello with GoHighLevel. So you basically won't ever have to leave GoHighLevel for your work. Okay, now let's talk about moving from payments to marketing. Here you can plan when to put up posts. If you've been using apps to plan posts for clients, this does that for you. You don't need another app. It's really handy, especially if you sell creative stuff, handle social media, or similar things. You can add client accounts here. Also, you can do email campaigns and use different templates. They also have an option for an affiliate manager here too. Okay, let's move on to the automation part. Here you have workflows, which let you make really smart automations, like for marketing in your business. It could be things like emails, or if someone visits a page and does something, then something else happens. I won't go into lots of detail in this video, just giving you a basic idea of what this software can do. I might not know everything about it, so if you're interested, sign up for GoHighLevel using the link below and check out GoHighLevel tutorials on YouTube. There are lots of great free resources there to help you become a pro at this software. Mastering this software can make you a lot of money in the long run, right? Next, we talk about sites. Here's where you make funnels, websites, even stuff like surveys and forms from scratch or templates. They also have a membership function. If you know Kajabi or Teachable, where you can host online courses, you can do it here in GoHighLevel. For agencies, you can offer not just done-for-you service, but also training for clients. It's like a mix offer, boosting its value. Next, let's talk about managing your reputation. When you get reviews on Google or similar sites that are good, you can check them out. You can set up things to automatically ask for more reviews for a specific business. For instance, if you work with local businesses as part of a company, you can assist them in getting more reviews. You can make it easier for customers to leave reviews. This is a really neat thing to do. Finally, there's a cool tool for reports where you can check on Google ads, Facebook ads, and more. It shows how well your ads are doing all in one spot. It's pretty much a one-stop shop for all your marketing needs. You can manage all your messages in one place, like emails, texts, and Messenger. Plus, you can organize your business contacts easily. You can even get paid through this tool and link it with Stripe. It helps with follow-up emails and has lots of templates. You can make websites, sales funnels, and surveys too. And if you already use ClickFunnels, you can transfer your funnels here. If you're helping clients, you can build their site or set up a training area. It's super handy having all this stuff in one spot. Now, let's chat about the price. They've got 3 plans. The basic one is $97 a month. It covers all the basics like websites, sales funnels, and emails. It's good for starting your own agency. Then there's the $297 plan. It's got everything in the basic plan, plus you can add unlimited clients. You can also put your own logo and colors on it. It's great for reselling. Lastly, there's the $497 plan. It's like owning your own software. You can automate client signups and make some serious cash. And the best part? You can have as many clients as you want. So I hope that gives you a good brief introduction into GoHighLevel and what it is kind of capable of now. If you are, let's say, just a creative agency who's wanting to get to their first $10,000 plus months, you will really just need like a couple functions, right? You will need the landing page creation and the funnel function. You will need the automated scheduling. You will need the CRM function. You will need project management, which you can also integrate something like Trello. You will need the outbound prospecting and tracking. You will need invoicing for that. Even the base plan is going to work. But I highly recommend going for the higher tier plans if you are planning to resell this software and really take advantage of the opportunity that they allow you with their pricing structure. Go ahead and click the link in the description to start your free trial with GoHighLevel and try it out for yourself. If you don't like it for any reason, you can just cancel the trial. And also, I recommend you to go and educate yourself even more on each of the functions of GoHighLevel because, like I said, it's such a complex software that you could spend a couple of hours on each of these things that it can do to really master it. Go grab the trial, and when you do, you'll be taken to a thank you page. On this thank you page, you're going to get a couple of different buttons. The first button is for a kickoff call. I recommend you get on the kickoff call because inside the kickoff call, you'll be able to get set up with my exact snapshot. What is a snapshot? A snapshot is something you can import into your account to get my emails, landing pages, and all the automations I'm building for you. If you don't get on this kickoff call, you're going to lose something that we're giving to you for free that's worth $297. GoHighLevel, the tool I'm promoting here, normally charges $297 for these kickoff calls, but we're including that in when you get in here. So make sure you grab the kickoff call. It doesn't cost anything. You get the free trial, join the free kickoff call, and then start watching the free course I'm building for you. This course is a playlist of different videos showing you everything you need to do step by step. Then, grab the content to post. On the thank you page, you'll grab the kickoff call, and below that, you'll grab the bonuses. When you click on Grab Bonuses, it will take you to this spreadsheet where I'm working on all the different automations, templates, and everything you can start using. Click on Short Form Content, and you'll get a full list of different videos that my team is building. We're taking content that we already know is proven to work, has tons of comments and likes, and then we're recreating it in our own way so that it's unique and something anybody can use to start getting leads. These videos are cool because when you post them, they're not tied to a certain brand. They're literally just saying, hey, comment with this word if you're interested in this thing. For example, in this video it says, what's the best business to start? And then instructs viewers to comment with a word if they're interested. We even have all the captions and hashtags set up for you, so you don't have to remake all of that. You can just use that content. We're posting about 20 times a day, and we're able to do that by loading these posts into a tool called Radar. I'll leave a link below for Radar as well, because with that link, you can get a free account. I'm also partnered with Radar, and it allows you to start scheduling your first 5 social media profiles for free. If you start automating at a higher level, they charge a bit, but the platform is affordable. Get started by getting the free account. Go to the link in the description, grab GoHighLevel, and then grab Radar because those are my partner links. I do get a commission from them, but you can promote these tools as well. I personally use these tools in my own business, so I wouldn't recommend anything I don't use myself. I use these tools to automate my scheduling, follow-up, and everything else. Let's go to Radar so I can show you what it looks like. These are all the posts I have scheduled for today. Inside Radar, if you see greens, reds, and yellows, that indicates the status of the posts. If it's red, it means that one of the profiles we tried posting to wasn't able to post, but green check marks means successful posts. We're scheduling our content to many different social media platforms at once, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. The reason I like Radar over other social media scheduling tools is that Radar really allows you to bulk automate. If you're scheduling to only a few social media pages, GoHighLevel can do that. But if you're scheduling to 40 different profiles at once, use something more heavy-duty like Radar. The cool thing about Radar is you can bulk import posts and schedule out to many different platforms at once. We're scheduling about 20 posts a day between 40 profiles, which ends up being about 800 posts a day. We're getting millions of views between all these different profiles. So, if you leave the word Part 2 in the comments, I can make a separate part and show you how we actually go and acquire these profiles. I'm not going to do that in this video because it's going to become too long. That's why we have a playlist and a step-by-step course. But if you want me to make part 2, showing you how I acquire these profiles, let me know in the comments. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope you found this tool valuable, and I will see you in the next one.